Guys, another quick little video here. So my black badges that I ordered about 5 weeks ago from CJ Pony Parts, they've been on back order, finally came in. And so we're going to replace the two side 5.0s on each side. The back GT badge. And Jared over here, we're going to start with the back first because it's kind of a little bit more difficult. We got to kind of pry that off and then we'll move on to the sides. Got the back one on. Already looking a lot better. Now we're going to go do the sides. Well guys, we got them on. Look pretty good, look a lot better than they did. Not too hard to put on, but not exactly easy. Took me and Jared about 25-30 minutes to put 3 of them on, so not real bad at all. But now the car is pretty much almost all black and white, so it's looking good. What's up guys? So finally got everything finished up, like I said. Got the side badges on and back badge on there. You can kind of barely see it here in the garage, it's late. But some of you are probably wondering by now why I don't have the front badge. You never saw me put it on, and that's because all I've done thus far is just take this off the pony. Goes in there like that, and that's black there already. There's an outline of the pony, but the reason for such is because I'm actually going to do a grill delete either tomorrow or the next day, just whenever I get a little bit of extra time. But I think that's going to look much better. It's going to be different than just going with all black badges. You let me know what you think down below. But yeah, so just went with the 2 side badges and the back badge for now, and we're going to take a Dremel and cut the front grill out. So we'll see how it looks. So again guys, just I want to say thanks for watching the video. Let me know down below what you think about the badges, front and back, what you think about the grill delete that's about to happen here soon. And just hope everybody's having a great day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know if you want to see like a detailed kind of thing about how to take the Dremel, use the Dremel and take your front bumper off and take your grill out. That might be another video. We'll make a video about it, but I don't know if it'll be too detailed. You know, we try to just kind of get it done and not really worry about videoing sometimes. But again guys, hope everybody had a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video.